Recording now. All right, so this is geometric distributions today. This is the end of chapter 4, by the way. Tomorrow we'll be doing a review all hour. It'll be pretty minor in the book. I can make a Jeopardy game for you too, if you like. And then on tomorrow's what, Wednesday? So Thursday we'll be taking the test. Actually, I could probably do you want to do a 2-day review?
2-day.
Okay.
Whatever you think is best.
Okay. Well, I figured tomorrow we'll also do post-it partners, so we could make it a 2-day review if you want to. Okay. All right, so a geometric experiment is a probability experiment that satisfies these conditions. Number one, a trial is repeated. Until a success occurs. Trials are independent. Probability of success is the same for each trial. And X is the trial in which your first successes. I'm going to write that down here too. The trial in which your first success happens. What's P and Q?
Success and failure.
Mm-hmm. Probability of success. Probability of failure. I think I'm probably only going to do 1 day for review. I think it's just going to be, we've got too intensive a schedule to get through all this stuff by May 7th. So I just want to keep working you. But I won't make the review crazy long. And we'll still do post-it partners. Example 1. Basketball player LeBron James makes free throw shots about 75% of the time. Find the probability that his first free throw shot he makes occurs on the 3rd or the 4th attempt. Now, is this likely? That the first time he succeeds is on the 3rd or the 4th attempt? No, what's the most likely thing to happen to him? He gets it on the first try. He's got a 75% of getting it on the first try. Everybody understand that? Okay. All right, so let's figure this out. This formula is super easy. There is no probability of 0 this time. How come?
Because you can't succeed by doing nothing.
Right, you can't succeed by never throwing it, right? You have to at least throw it once. So probability that it succeeds the first time is 75%. Everybody good on that?
Yes.
What's the probability that he gets it on the second shot?
75%.
No, because he has to lose, because remember, it's the second shot, he has to lose the first one and then get the second one. So how do I write that he loses the first one and gets the second one? Just say it loudly, Cole.
0.75 times 0.75.
No, because that'd be winning and winning. I need him to miss the first one.
Times 0.25.
So 0.25, he misses the first. I'm just going to put it to the first power. And then 0.75 to the first power. And the reason why I'm doing that is just so it matches my formula later. Okay? All right, so everybody put it in your calculator. 0.25 times 0.75. Point.
The battery's on that one. I did that one time.
$100 calculators.
Do you guys get 0.88?
Yeah.
0.188?
Yeah. Right. Don't worry, I've done the same thing. So I waited till this move outside of the room.
All right, how do I find out the probability that his first success was the third time?
You just times by another 5.
5 to
Right, we've got 2 failures that happen first and then 1 winning. I got 0.047. Probability of 4. What should I do for this one? 3 failures and 1 success. I got 0.012. All right, so how do I find out the probability that it was the third or the fourth attempt? What does or mean again? Add them, right? Or means add and subtract the overlap, but there's no overlap between getting it right on the third one and getting it right on the fourth one. Because if you got it right on the third one, you just stop. So, I'm going to add those two together. That is 0.047 plus 0.012, which is what, 0.059?
Yeah.
Okay. Now what we're going to try to do is we're going to try to add up these probabilities so far. So take your calculator out, put in 0.75 plus 0.188 plus 0.047 plus 0.012. Why doesn't this add up to 1?
Because that's not the only place he could have missed.
Right, he could have. I mean, it's very unlikely that LeBron James would miss 4 shots in a row with a 75% average, right? Miss 4 shots in a row and make the 5th. But is it possible? Yes. In fact, it's very, very unlikely. The chances that he would get his first free throw correctly on one of his first 4 tries is 0.997. So there's literally a 0.3% chance that he wouldn't make the first 4 in some way. But it's possible. I mean, it could possibly be his 10th. Could I find out the probability of his 10th? Getting it right on the 10th try and failing all the rest? Sure. Watch. 0.25 to the power of 9 times 0.75. It would be 0.000003. That'd be the probability of him missing 9 shots in a row and getting the 10th. This makes sense to you guys? So you can't, like on the first ones, you could make a probability distribution where it was like, here's all the options and here's all the probabilities. You can't do this on here. Because the options don't end. They just become less and less and less likely. Everybody okay?
Yeah.
All right, so try the second one with your partner, please.
For his third attempt. So we just add up 1, 2, 3, right? Yeah. Or which is minus 0.12 the answer we got for. Point 985, right? Or 98.5%.
I also got cute little notebooks over there. All right,